All right, I've got something really fun here. This is one of the coolest accessories for the Insta360 Go Ultra. So if you haven't used your Go Ultra in a while, or you want to pick one up, this accessory is super cool. So this is the Go Ultra Fun Cam Case Kit. And what this does is it takes your Go Ultra and an Insta360 printer, and you can print photos directly to that. You can do that now without the case, but the case makes it pretty fun. So inside the kit, you actually get this case for the Go Ultra, and you get a printer, which is pretty cool. Printing photos is just fun, and having something like this makes it even more fun. So the way this works is you pop off the back. I take my Go Ultra, and all you do is you set it down inside, push forward. When you press this down, it rests there, so it doesn't fold in any further. Put the cover on here. You've also got these anchor holes here, and I put my PGYTECH small anchors here because I've got the camera strap slim, which is pretty sweet. So we got our anchor ports on the bottom. You got power, and you could also change your modes here. On the front, you have this mirror here, just give you a place to look. You got the cutout for the camera, a microphone. On this side, microphone, USB-C charging, easy to access, and then on top, you actually do have your shutter button. The bottom is one of the most important parts here because I can actually just have this as my camera as I want to go around and have my printer separately, but if I want to attach my printer, this is where it gets cool. Slide out the bottom, I slide my printer on, and now I've got my classic instant print camera. So if I turn on my camera, and I can use the quick change buttons right here to swap modes. So your Go Ultra still works the same, it's just inside this cool camera case. We'll go to photo. I can point it to myself, look in the camera, take my photo. One thing to know about the Go Ultra is that it doesn't transfer information and data through here. It's just on there as a clip. So what you have to do is connect through Bluetooth, which is totally fine because if I wanted to shoot with this separately and print over here, I could totally do that. But I like this because I get to have it there. So I'll select this photo, tap 3 dots, press print, print preview. I could also change it to frameless or Polaroid to give a frame around it if I want to, but I'll go frameless. We'll go to print, and now it's printing one photo. While that prints, I want to show you the camera strap slim. Since this was a vintage look, I wanted to stick with that vintage feel. So I wanted to go with this thin camera strap, put this on, and it attaches through PGYTECH's small anchors. With their larger camera straps, they actually have larger anchors. So this is the camera anchor comparison here, just so you know that the camera strap slim comes with the small anchors. But I've got this here. All you have to do is put this on. I have my camera on, and now I can wear it around with me. But one thing that's really cool about this is you'll notice that there's this little orange thing. Well, what is it? Well, if I pull, it's actually a microfiber cloth that can go around with me, and I can carry it wherever I go to make sure everything's clean again. And then it just tucks right into this orange container like so. So now you've got that microfiber cloth with you whenever you need it. And it's protected from dust with this. But now you can see our photo is done. So I'll just pull this out, and here is our photo. It's interesting the times that we live in because not many people see these things anymore. So I actually wore this around with me at an event, and people were like, what is that? And it's a great conversation starter. You can be like, hey, do you want to take a picture with me? Sure, let's take a picture. And then you print them out something that they can take with them. So that is the PGYTECH Go Ultra Fun Cam Case Kit.